Do subscribe my channel MN Afridi Motovlogs and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Okay, hello and good morning to all the lovely peoples. Actually today I'll be revisiting Patratu. Right now I am very late because my bike wasn't starting. Since 1 week I haven't started my bike, and the problem occurred in the morning. It was not starting actually. So it took around 30 minutes to just get the engine heated and started. I'm riding with my friends today. They were actually going to Patratu, so I was free this week. I was not doing any ride, so I told why not. So just going to meet them right now. Yeah, I can see them there. Good morning. So the first thing what we have to do is fuel up, because none of them have fuel in the tank. So we are just moving to the petrol pump and then we'll read. By the way, the time is 5:35. So let's see how long it will take, because we have to return also early today because we have some work. So see you after fueling up. Okay, so the problem now is that in the city it's already almost 6 o'clock. It's 5:45. Not too early in the morning, but still all the petrol pumps were closed. So what we have decided that once we leave Ranchi, then we have a petrol pump. I hope it is open, because last time it was open. So we'll fuel up there. The weather is just perfect because it was raining cats and dogs whole day, and also in the night it was raining a bit. But as we left for the ride, the rain stopped and the weather is just perfect. You can see the wet roads. So most probably here will be a petrol pump. Yeah, I can see a petrol pump. I just pray it is open, because this is the last petrol pump in next 40 kilometers. Yes, but thank God it's open. My fuel just came into the reserve. Okay, so just forgot to introduce everyone. Right in front in the maroon t-shirt, it's Nikhil. He is riding on his Activa 125, and behind him is Johan. He is riding on his Activa 3G. By the way, Johan is I think he is the top 5 Indian artist, among the top 5 Indian artists. And right over here is Dhaval, and this behind Dhaval it's his brother Abhishek. So that's all. 2 bikes, 2 scooters. जोहन और जोहन की गाड़ी पूरी कीचड़. धवल की गाड़ी तो ठीक ठाक है, बट धवल ये क्या है? पासला. Look at this and look at my shoes. Okay, so the Patratu Valley begins right now after this boat. Officially, if you want to ask, then you can see this boat. But valley starts. Please go slow.
I've been holding on for so long, I can't remember why. The fire's gone, I'm all burnt out, the embers have gone dry. I don't need your love.
just stop here. We'll click some photographs and then we'll continue, because this is a very photogenic place. So last time when I came, I was really pissed on Dhaval because he went right from here to the top and it took almost 1 hour. That too, it was very dangerous and I was really pissed on him. He's laughing right now. उस दिन सच में तुमको मार देते.
Not everyone you lose is a loss. At what cost? At what cost? I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need your love to make me strong. No. I've been holding on for so long, I can't remember why. The fire's gone, I'm all burnt out, the embers have gone dry. I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need your love to make me strong. No. I've got courage to guide me through the dark. I've got courage to follow my own heart.
Okay, so just reached the Patratu Valley and you can see the scene, how well it looks. It's raining very hard, but I was having the waterproof casing. Actually, yesterday I received the waterproof casing, so I don't know how well it's recording the audio because it's completely watertight, so the sound would be a bit low. So everyone is here. They are just clicking the pictures over there. Maybe we are not going more further because we are out of time and I'm totally wet. I'm not wet in the top part of my body, but from down you can see, as you can see my shoes. It's completely wet. Everything is totally wet. I'm sorry I'm not able to show you the whole Patratu Valley today, but next time you can see my second video. Just scroll down and you can see the second video of mine. In that I have shown, but the quality is a bit low क्योंकि उस टाइम नया चैनल ही शुरू किया था इसलिए.
Not everyone you lose is a loss. At what cost? At what cost? I don't need your love to carry on. I don't need your love to make me strong. No. I've got courage to guide me through the dark. I've got courage to follow my own heart. I've got
चलो भाई ठीक है, तो शाम में मिलते हैं. ठीक है, मैं इधर से जाऊँगा. ठीक. Okay, so time to end this video. sorry I was unable to show you the whole Patratu valley because it started to rain heavily and none of them were having the rain liners except me, so that we decided it's better to move. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and do press the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you are watching this video for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in my next video. Till then, ride safe, take care, and bye bye.